Talakayan naman natin ang mga balita mula sa Visayas.
Nakumpiska ang iligal na droga at baril mula sa isang individual sa isinagawang buy-bust operation ng Lapu-Lapu City PNP sa Barangay Pusok, Lapu-Lapu City. Ang report mula kay Patroluman Blessel Keys Pidoche.
Nakumpiska ng Lapu-Lapu City PNP ang baril at 68,000 halaga ng shabu mula sa suspect sa isinagawang buy-bust operation sa Matumbo, Barangay Pusok, Lapu-Lapu City nito lamang makaraan. Kinilala ng Police Station 5 Lapu-Lapu City Police Office ang suspect na si alias Chaboy, 20 anyos at residente ng Ibabaw, Barangay Pusok, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Ayon sa ulat ng pulisya, banalas 10:05 ng gabi na ikinasa ng kapulisan ang naturang buy-bust operation na naresulta sa pagkaaresto ng suspect at pagkasabat ng 9 na pakete ng hinihinalang shabu na may timbang na higit kumulang 10 gramo at standard drug price na 68,000 pesos, buy-bust money, isang unit ng .22 caliber revolver at 2.22 live ammunitions. Samantala, kasalukuyang nasa kustodiya ng Police Station 5 LCPO ang suspect at mahaharap sa kasong paglabag sa Republic Act 9165 o Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002 at RA 10591 o Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act.
Good day everyone, I'm Police Major Ramil Pilugan, Station Commander, Police Station 5 of Lapu-Lapu City Police Office. At about 10:05 p.m. on August 11, 2024, Police Station 5 SDEO personnel led by Police Lieutenant Meron Darlan L. Salvania, Prudent Intelligence, conducted a buy-bust operation with proper coordination with PDS-7 at Sitio Matumbo, Barangay Pusok, Lapu-Lapu City that resulted in the arrest of the suspect, Akat Chaboy, listed as SLI. This successful operation highlights the dedication of our law enforcement agency to eliminating illegal drug activities and protecting the community from the harmful effects of these substances. The strength of our community lies in our unity and togetherness, so we can create a safer, healthier environment for ourselves and future generations. Let's work hand in hand with compassion and determination to build a safer and drug-free community. In line of the mantra of the Chief PNP, sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Ang kapulisan ng Lapu-Lapu City ay patuloy sa pagpapaigting ng kanilang kampanya na labanan ang mga sindikato ng droga at anumang uri ng kriminalidad dahil sa bagong Pilipinas, ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Mula dito sa Central Visayas, ako ang Police News Network Correspondent, Patrolwoman Blessel Kispidoche, alagad ng batas, tagataguyod ng Balitang Pulis.